In this video, I am going to show you how to watch Oleksandr Usyk versus Tyson Fury 2 on your Firestick so you can enjoy one of the most anticipated boxing matches live on your TV. While the fight may not be available for free, there are legitimate ways to stream it using apps or services compatible with your Firestick. Here's how you can do it. First, ensure your Firestick is ready by enabling Apps from Unknown Sources in the Developer Options under Settings. Next, go to the home screen of your Firestick, navigate to the search bar, and type Downloader. Install the Downloader app, as it will help you download streaming apps or access websites where the fight is being broadcast. Once the Downloader app is installed, open it and enter the URL of a trusted app store or website hosting a legitimate streaming service like ESPN+, DAZN, or another platform broadcasting the fight, depending on your region. For example, if you're in the US, ESPN Plus is likely the official broadcaster, so you'll need an active subscription. Download the ESPN Plus app directly onto your Firestick by searching for it in the Amazon App Store or using the Downloader app. If you prefer using a browser, install a web browser like Silk or Firefox on your Firestick. Open the browser, visit the official streaming platform's website, e.g. ESPN+, log in to your account, and start streaming the fight. Alternatively, you can use screen mirroring to cast the fight from your smartphone or tablet to your Firestick. Simply connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network, enable screen mirroring, and stream the fight seamlessly. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid buffering during the match. Additionally, consider using a VPN to bypass geo-restrictions if the fight isn't available in your region through official channels. Always choose legitimate services to support the fighters and avoid illegal streaming platforms that may compromise your device's security. That's it. You now know how to watch Oleksandr Usyk versus Tyson Fury 2 on your Firestick. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.